Hey, Tom Opry here with the Shepherds of Wildlife Society. You know, it wasn't 10 days ago I was in Panama for the CITES conference where it was 85 degrees and beautiful. Now I'm back here in Montana. It's still beautiful, but it's only in the single digits, so it's pretty dang cold. But anyways, today's Giving Tuesday. We have a great opportunity for you guys to win a product from one of our great supporters, Cowboy Cauldron. So today what we're doing is today through Thursday, I think it is. We have to look at the rules, but basically we're offering one lucky person to win a Cowboy Cauldron, the Dude model, which is $1,000 value. All you have to do to win that product is go ahead and host a Facebook fundraiser benefiting the Shepherds of Wildlife Society. We'll draw a name out of the hat so that we'll have one person that'll win this incredible product from Cowboy Cauldron, and you're going to be supporting the Shepherds of Wildlife Society, which our mission is to reconnect modern society with nature. We do that by creating incredible mainstream documentary films, and we have an incredible lineup of great photographers, wildlife photographers, nature photographers that provide just some of the best photography in the world. And we've figured out that if we can get that information in front of folks that don't really understand how conservation works, you know, especially here in North America where we have incredible populations of wildlife, then, you know, we're not going to have it in the future. So it's really important that we educate these people, and your support is very important. Again, just go to Facebook and create a fundraiser for the Shepherds of Wildlife Society for Giving Tuesday, and we will put your name in the hat to win this incredible project from Cowboy Cauldron.